Most people think their money will go exactly where they want. Family, children, the right hands. But what if that's only half the truth? Because after you're gone, your assets don't follow emotions. They follow systems. So here's the real question. Do your assets follow your wishes or the rules you never set up? Estate planning is often ignored or delayed because it feels complicated or unnecessary. People assume everything will just work out, but reality works very differently. Assets don't move automatically. They go through processes, legal systems, timelines, documentation, and here's the part most people don't see. Without a clear structure, decisions don't come from you. They come from predefined rules. So what happens when there's no clear plan? Delays, costs, confusion between family members? Because the system isn't designed for emotion, it's designed for verification. And that leads to a bigger question. If your intentions are clear in your mind, why aren't they clear on paper? 1. What a will actually does. A will is often the first step. It outlines who gets what. Sounds simple? So where's the complication? Because a will usually goes through a legal process. That process checks validity, resolves claims, and distributes assets, which means time and sometimes delays. A will gives direction, but it doesn't always speed things up. 2. What a trust changes. A trust works differently. It holds assets within a structure you define. Why does that matter? Because the rules are already in place. Instead of waiting for a process, assets can follow predefined instructions. It's less about replacing a will and more about controlling how and when things move. 3. Not all assets behave the same. Here's where it gets more complex. Not everything follows the same path. What about accounts with beneficiaries? What about jointly owned assets? Some assets transfer directly. Some follow documents, some require oversight, which means one plan doesn't automatically cover everything. 4. The hidden mismatch problem. Now imagine this. Your documents say one thing, your accounts say another. What happens then? The system follows the structure, not assumptions. That's where gaps appear. Not because of mistakes, but because things weren't aligned. 5. Time versus control trade-off. Every decision here is a balance. Do you prioritize simplicity or control and timing? Some structures are easier to set up, others offer more precision. But ignoring the decision entirely creates the most uncertainty. So how do people approach this the right way? First, understand what you actually own, not just broadly, but specifically. Then, decide how those assets should move, who receives them, when they receive them. Then align the structure. That could involve a will, a trust, or a combination depending on the situation. But here's the key limitation. Can one document solve everything? Not always, because different assets follow different rules. So the goal isn't perfection, it's clarity and alignment, not eliminating the system, but working with it intentionally. So here's the final question. If something happens unexpectedly, will your assets follow a clear path or leave decisions open to interpretation? Because building wealth is one part of the story. What happens to it later is the part most people never fully plan. Comment what you think below, and if you want more deep breakdowns like this, subscribe to Wealth Insure Lab for more updates.